In the world of electric vehicles, where practicality often takes precedence over style and driving experience, the Carice TC2 from the Netherlands emerges as a refreshing outlier. Battling against the stereotype of EVs being perceived as bulky and unexciting, the TC2 is rewriting the narrative with its unique blend of classic aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. Meet the game changer in the electric vehicle world, a sports car that defies expectations and challenges the norms. Weighing in at a mere 1,300 pounds or approximately 590 kilograms, this electric marvel is rewriting the rules of what an EV can be. It's not just a mode of eco-friendly transportation, it's a thrilling driving experience that proves you can have a blast on the road while still being kind to the planet. At first glance, the TC2 captivates with its sleek appearance, drawing inspiration from the iconic Porsche 550 Spider and other legendary sports cars. However, what truly sets this electric car apart is not just its appearance, but its underlying philosophy. Unlike many EVs that are essentially modified versions of existing models or assembled from pre-made parts, the TC2 is a ground-up creation, a meticulous fusion of old-school cool and new-school smarts. Beneath its elegant HUD lies a modest yet potent powertrain. The TC2 boasts a rear-mounted electric motor generating 56 horsepower, complemented by a 31.5 kilowatt-hour battery. This combination provides a range of up to 186 miles on a single charge, emphasizing the TC2's commitment to practical usability. While it may not be the most powerful contender in the EV arena, the TC2 deviates from the current trend by prioritizing the joy of driving. What truly sets the TC2 apart is its deliberate omission of modern driving aids. No power steering, no ABS, no brake assist, no traction control, none of the familiar safety nets that have become commonplace in contemporary vehicles. The TC2 is a nostalgic nod to an era when driving was a skill, a connection between the driver and the machine. This intentional departure from excessive tech-centric features may not appeal to everyone, but for those seeking the unadulterated thrill of the drive, the TC2 offers a breath of fresh air. As this remarkable electric sports car gracefully maneuvers through city streets or conquers winding roads, it's not just a symbol of a sustainable future, it's a tangible testament to the notion that driving enthusiasts can have their cake and eat it too. The lightweight, eco-friendly appearance of this game-changing electric sports car is a reminder that, in the evolving landscape of electric vehicles, innovation and excitement can coexist harmoniously for the benefit of both drivers and the planet. In a market saturated with EVs striving for mass appeal, the Carice TC2 stands out as a niche offering, capturing the hearts of enthusiasts who appreciate the marriage of classic appearance and the exhilaration of driving without the distractions of modern gadgetry. As electric vehicles continue to evolve, the TC2 serves as a reminder that innovation can coexist with the timeless allure of automotive craftsmanship. If you liked the video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.